Let's be real. Parents today are more cautious than ever. Many had negative school experiences themselves. Some felt ignored, judged, or shut out. And now, when they walk into our schools, those old wounds come with them. So our job isn't just to contact parents, it's to restore trust, one respectful conversation at a time. Because in 2025, parent engagement isn't optional. It's the bridge that keeps students standing when everything else feels unstable. When we think about parents as equal partners, the language has to change. It's not, "I need you to," it's, "Let's work together to." For example, instead of saying, "You need to talk to your son about missing work," try, "Let's come up with a plan that helps him stay on top of assignments. I can handle reminders at school. Could you help check off the same list at home?" Instead of, "He doesn't focus," say, "I've noticed he does better after a quick break. Does that work for him at home too?" That small shift changes tone from blame to teamwork. It's you and the parent versus the problem, not you versus the parent. The first contact should never be about behavior. Your first call, text, or message should build rapport before there's an issue. Example: "Hi, this is Mrs. Olds from Westfield Academy. I just wanted to share something great. Your daughter helped another student today. I really appreciate her leadership. That one positive message does more for future partnership than 5 corrective calls ever could. And when discipline or academic issues do come up, the trust bank already has a deposit. You're not calling as a critic. You're calling as a collaborator." Parents can't help if they don't understand. Use plain language, no acronyms, no jargon. Instead of saying, "He's not meeting benchmark proficiency in ELA," say, "He's struggling with reading comprehension. Here's one way you can practice together." Also, keep it two-way. Don't just give information, ask for insight. "Is there anything that's been working at home that I could try in class?" That one question communicates partnership. You're not positioning yourself as the expert over their child. You're showing respect for their expertise as a parent. To truly build capacity, invite parents into the process, not just the problem. Examples: share a photo of their child's project, not just their grades. Ask them to record a short pep talk video you can play for their child before a big test. Hold a family strategies night, where you teach parents small, doable habits, like how to check Google Classroom or set up quiet homework spaces. These are bridges, ways to turn home energy into school momentum. Here's why this work is non-negotiable. When parents understand how learning works and how their involvement affects achievement, outcomes rise across the board. Research keeps proving what common sense already knows. Students whose families engage consistently have higher grades, fewer behavior issues, and stronger attendance. But here's what's often missed. Engagement isn't just good PR. It's a form of prevention. Engaged parents catch problems early. They remind their children that school isn't an opponent, it's an ally. They back up consequences at home and reinforce expectations in a way no school policy ever could. And just as importantly, when parents see teachers inviting them in instead of evaluating them, they begin to heal their own school scars. They become advocates, not adversaries. Parent capacity is about more than helping with homework. It's about giving families the confidence and tools to influence learning, behavior, and character. At home, in the community, and far beyond the classroom walls. When we strengthen that home-school connection, we're not just helping one child. We're helping a generation remember that school and home are on the same team. Parents want to help. They just need to feel safe doing it. When we stop assuming disinterest and start offering dignity, trust grows. And when trust grows, students thrive. So don't just reach out to inform. Reach out to include. Because when home and school work together, every child wins.